How to find TikTok Shop promo code. In order to get free promo codes for TikTok Shop, you head over to any web browser on your phone and then simply search for TikTok Shop promo codes. Just hit enter after doing that, and the first link you'll see is couponfollow.com. Open up this link right here. This website usually gives you fresh coupon codes that hasn't been used, so you are going to have to keep an eye out on new codes. Now, if you find the one that you like, just click on it. So let's say if it was 45% off, I'm going to click on the first one. All you need to do here is click on this copy code, and you can tap on redeem at TikTok Shop, and you'll be redirected to TikTok Shop. Just make sure that you are logged into your account, and you should be able to paste this code on your TikTok shop to get few discounts and use the promo code. What you could also do is search for other codes on these websites like coupons.com. Click on the link that you see. So as you can see, this is still valid. So click on it. And then once you've done that, you can click on copy code. Once that is copied, you can tap on go to store and just paste the code there. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.